from our band, and I took Kuya Ricky's challenge, history challenge. He was the only Philippines president with a different topic on his official portrait. A. Ramon Magsaysay, B. Epidelio Quirino, C. Benigno Aquino III, D. Emilio Aguinaldo. My answer is D. Emilio Aguinaldo.
Ang sagot yun ay tumpake! Walang kakanye! Oh, magkano panalo? Hey! Congratulations! Ano pangalan?
Shen Mendiola po.
Oh, congratulations! So, that means to say po, ang mga majorette may alam din sa history at sa science. At sila ay multi-talented po. Hindi lang sila beauty, may brains pa. Oh, sige. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.